Once we get past the age of 30, we can lose up to 5% of our muscle mass every 10 years. It's a significant problem. So I'm always encouraging my patients to do more strength training. But the problem is, many people find it too expensive or too difficult to get to a gym. And that's why I created something that I call a 5-minute kitchen workout. It's become a huge hit with my patients. And I've done it basically to try and help my patients get some strength training in around their busy lives. I go through this in detail in my book, The 4-Pillar Plan, but this video is designed to show you how you do the 5-minute kitchen workout in your own kitchen. The great thing about this workout is that you can do it whether you're 20 years old or whether you're 80 years old, and it can be modified for different strength and different mobility levels. Now, it's just a guide. You can tweak it as you see fit, but I'm going to go through it as it is currently written in my book. The first exercise is squats. Now, squats are a great all-body exercise for strength and mobility. There are so many different ways of doing it to suit your strength level. The first thing I'd suggest is you hold on to something, like this worktop, and just start bending your knees, lowering them. Go as far down as you feel comfortable, and aim to do about 5 to 10. You could see a door handle. You could hold onto the door handle with one arm or two arms, and again, just start to squat down. Try and keep your back straight and go down as far as you feel comfortable. Some of you will only be able to go down a small amount like this, and that's absolutely fine. Whatever you feel comfortable with, start there. And as you get better and really good, you can actually hold on to something like this and think about doing it on one leg. The point is, in the comfort of your own kitchen, you can do a workout at so many different levels. The next exercise are calf raises. So this is basically a really good workout for your lower limbs. And again, you can actually do these without holding on if you feel able to. So I would just go up and down, onto my tiptoes and down, as many times as I can. Again, I normally say go for about 5 to 10. Now, if you need support, that's absolutely fine as well. You can hold on to a worktop. Hold on as you do your calf raises. Once you feel comfortable doing that, you can actually move out to the kitchen and go to your bottom staircase, which is where I am now. And actually just hold onto the stair rail. Actually lay yourself down and go all the way up. Go a bit lower than you can when you're just on the floor. You can actually go a little bit higher as well. So you get a much bigger range of motion. It's a bit more of a workout. So this is just a simple way of actually making the exercise a little bit harder and just pushing it a little bit further. The next exercise is press-ups. Now, press-ups can actually be a really challenging exercise to do if you go straight onto the floor. So with many of my patients, I start against a wall. So what you do is you pop your hands down roughly shoulder width, or maybe slightly wider than shoulder width apart, and just start lowering your chest down towards the wall. You can play around with your hand position a bit so you feel comfortable. Try and keep your back straight as you're doing it. And again, I'd aim for about 5 to 10. But again, if you can only do 2, start with 2. And as you keep working out, as you keep progressing it, very soon you'll be able to build up. So that's an easy place to start. But you can also make it a little bit trickier. So again, pop your hands down. Shoulder width apart is probably a good guide, but you can actually play around with that. Keep your back straight, keep your body straight, and then just start lowering your chest down. And again, I'd say aim to do about 5 to 10. It's actually quite challenging to do that, and you get a really nice workout for your chest and for your arms. Now, as you get stronger, you can start going down. You can even put in a chair, get onto a chair. Again, the lower you put your hands, the harder you make it. So again, that's another way you can do it. And you can actually go down onto the floor. The point is, you can start at your current strength level and work up as you get stronger. The next exercise are triceps dips. So what you can do is place your hands on a kitchen worktop to start with and start lowering your elbows behind you. It's a great exercise for your arms, and it's a fantastic way of working on your strength. Now, I would aim for 5 to 10 there, but as you get better, you can start making it more difficult for yourself. You can start doing it on a dining room chair, and once you've mastered that, you can even go onto the floor. The key is to do it where you feel comfortable, at a pace and at a strength level that's good for you. The final exercise in this sequence are lunges. Now, lunges are a very well-known body weight exercise. Now, the key here is that you can do it freestanding or you can hold on. So I'll just hold on to demonstrate how we do that. So hold on to something and actually put one leg forward and bend the knee. So this is me doing my right leg. You don't need to hold on. You can actually do it without holding on. As you get stronger, you feel more comfortable. I'd say maybe do about 5 to 10 on each leg. So I'm going to just do my left leg now. Try and keep your torso upright if you can. And bend as far down with that knee as you feel comfortable. Now, the thing with lunges is once you get good at that, you can actually start looking around and adding things in. So, I'm in a kitchen, but I can grab something like a bottle of olive oil. This is a full one, it's not open yet. So what you can actually do is go and do the lunge, but with a side rotation. Okay, and you can rotate to either side. It's just another way of actually making it a little bit more fun and challenging yourself and adding on another movement. I can see I've got a couple of cans here, and butter beans. Again, you can do something different. You can actually do a lunge and put your hands up, with some cans. It's actually amazing how tiring this workout can be. Now, I've just spent a few minutes going through those exercises. I'm actually in my own clothes. I've not had to get changed. I've not had to get any special equipment. I've actually used olive oil and butter beans and just things that are lying around. And I think that's the beauty of it. In fact, many times in my surgery room, I've actually been on my surgery table or on the floor with patients, actually showing them how they can do this. I really would encourage you to give this a try at home. It helps me, and I know it can help you. There are many more tips like this in my book, The 4-Pillar Plan, and I'm going to be making more videos like this, which you can get access to by signing up to my email online community at drchatty.com or following me on Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram.